Okay, so now we're just going to attach the velcro to the shoulders. This is going to be the loop side of the velcro, so the soft side. And we're just going to fold up the excess on here since we don't need it flopping all over the place. Thread out of the way. This is a very simple procedure here. Now on these ones, we are going to put a stitch up the middle just to secure it a little better. Now you can do it on this on the softer side because the softer side doesn't interfere with the threads. On the hook side, that has a tendency to create loose stitching, and you don't want that. It's better to have no stitching than loose stitching. Just take off the excess, and that is that. You just repeat that for the other shoulder.